Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the graph editor and selecting the property with keyframes. You want the right graph type, so switch between value and speed graphs to match your goal. Once done, zoom and pan to isolate the keyframes you'll edit. This reduces visual clutter and speeds up precision. Make sure snapping and motion path visibility are enabled, because that will help you align motion curves to timing. Now you're set to adjust tangents and handles for smooth interpolation. You'll now shape the motion by editing individual curves and handles. Click a keyframe and drag its incoming or outgoing tangent to change ease in and ease out. A flatter handle lengthens acceleration. Once you understand one curve, copy easing via keyframe assistant or paste easing to other keyframes to maintain consistency. Make sure to use numeric influence values when you need repeatable results, and toggle the Show Tangents option to reveal fine controls. This is where smooth, natural motion is defined. Finish by refining speeds and validating motion in real time. You should preview with RAM or adaptive resolution and watch velocity labels to confirm peaks and valleys match intent. Once done, nudge temporal spacing or adjust handles to correct timing, and consider adding motion blur for realism. If something goes wrong, check for accidental hold keyframes, mismatched graph type, or overlapping expressions. Fixing interpolation or clearing
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.